It is Thursday, July 4th, 3:34 p.m. It's been almost 8 months since my last video, so I'm overdue for one. Nothing had really changed in my setups. I am still trading the levels. I sell R1, R2, and buy the green lines, B1, B2. And what I did do change is sometimes I remove instruments, sometimes I add new instruments, looking into possibly adding some stocks. I'm doing some testing on some stocks, and I've seen a few of them, large caps that have performed really well with the levels as well. So I may start doing that soon, but for now this is what I'm trading. Starting with the YM, we opened up here and did not really get to any of the levels. No trade were taken. This looked like a good setup in here that failed once and twice, almost 3 times, but I was looking at it as price action. The MNQ did give me a short on in here R1, holding it for a small loss. My anticipation will go back down to those levels in here, so I will buy it back in here. If we go up to R2, I'll add more. So I'll sell 2, add 1 in here. MES, we didn't get close. We got close to R1, but not close enough to take a trade. So nothing here. Nothing with the M2K. Got close to a buy, but there's no go. 10-year did give me a sell in here. Took a little bit of heat and down. Went back to the weekly open. Would have been a nice trade if you had taken it. The reverse with the ZN for a buy did not really materialize because of the statistical levels, so we didn't get to buy in here. That would have been a nice long trade taken off the 10Y. Gold, nothing on the gold. 30-year did give us a long right to the tick. B1 in here, that would have been back to the weekly open. A nice gain. Oil did give me a short in here, taking some heat, and the target would be this level in here. The first target, at least. If you take in multiple positions too, you take one in here and the last one in here, or you can trail. It's based on your risk tolerance. But this short did actually, I wasn't filled in here, got close to it, but no fill, went up, and over here I was filled here. Then I took it again, and now it's taking a little bit of heat. The Forex short, this is my target in here. I did not get filled, moved up and waiting for it this week. Next 2 days are holidays, today and tomorrow holidays, so we may not see any price action until next week. Pound again, short, and there's a lot of news on the pound, so this can get ugly either way. It can either gap down or gap up based on the news tonight. Australian dollar, nothing set up. Nothing in the New Zealand. Swiss got close, but not close enough for short. Nothing here. Did take a short in here. Some heat. This is my target. Did get filled, moved up again. I did one more time, and this is in here where I took my profits. It shows that it went down to the midpoint. Not sure if this is a real price or a bad tick. Looking at the 2-year, but I think it's illiquid. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading it. Corn did some crazy stuff last week. Gapped way past level 1 and 2 and beyond, so it would have been a full loss. But I haven't been really trading them, especially when there's a crop report going on major fundamental news. I stay away from the grains and the soybeans. Wheat would have been better, would have been short in here. That I would have taken profit in here. First one at least, and the rest down in here. soy short, and target in here. I didn't take any of those trades. I'm just showing setups. This probably would not have been filled unless you're really aggressive in here and you filled it. The market of market if touched. Same thing with the futures here. I just keep an eye on them as well. The same setup as Forex. This would have been a nice short in here. 6B would have been a short, taking some heat. 6E would have been short, hot, first target and holding. Australian dollar would have been short in here and holding, and long in here with a nice gain. I did take the Canadian and the Forex. This is the Swiss franc. So great week, a good week actually, Margaret. It's a good week, and just a short week, and the holidays usually don't give us a lot of price movement. So I will do my best to post at least once or twice a week, maybe toward the end of the week with the trades. I used to post the levels early on, but nobody was watching it, so I stopped doing that. And that's it for the day.